Let me show you how to create an amazing letter portrait in Photoshop. Let's start the video. Firstly, go to Type tool and write letter O. Increase the size of text like this and align into the center. Now place the subject. Adjust like this. Now add some solid background color. Duplicate the text layer. Drag this layer and add layer mask. Now go to Brush tool and brush like this. Select this layer and go to Blending Options. Select this layer and go to Blending Options. Add Color Overlay to blue and then OK. Decrease opacity of both text layers. Now add stroke to both layers. That's it. Letter portrait is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.